Hello guys, what day is it, babe?
Saturday.
Happy Saturday. Excuse the noise. We're actually doing Balikbayan boxes today to go to the Philippines. So a Balikbayan box for you foreigners out there, you Perel, is a box that you buy and you fill it full of everything you can.
Full of junk, I mean.
Full of junk, or food, or gifts, and you send it to the Philippines, and it goes by sea or air.
That's enough them. I will do it.
There you go, baby. Grab that off me then.
In the top later when I say
This is Mr. and Mrs. C working together, guys. Doesn't always work very well, but we do it. So this is an extra large Balikbayan box, and I'm hoping. What, am I still going with this?
I cut them there. I will do that
Okay,
one.
cut that then. She nearly swore then. So, as I was saying, I'm hoping to put an Evolution chop saw in here and the legs that fold down for the table so we can cut wood and metal. Sending a load of tools over to Brother Morris and Sister Maricel in the Philippines. So, I've got a load of Makita LXT battery grinders, drills, planers, jigsaws, circular saws. I'm sending a welder. I'm sending laser on tripod. Sending some hand tools. Sending everything, guys, so we can actually build things over there at the house when we go in October. And this is just one of the boxes. Yeah, we're crazy. Let me show you the rest. Yeah, so this is I think this is an extra large box, guys. Mr. C's box. Hopefully, all my shit will fit in that. They all come flat packed, like this one. We've got we call him Backler, but his name is Pretty Boy. He's a Filipino guy that works for LBC in the UK, and we just phone him up and he delivers flat pack boxes like these. And then we build them up, fill them full of shit, and we send in them. We've got a box for Brother Junior and Jing. We've got a box for Sister Manolin, Brother Warren. And we've got a box, or a few boxes actually, for Sister Maricel and Brother Morris. So look here. Here's one. Here's two. Here's three. Here's four. Here's five. This is the one responsible for everything. Over here is more stuff that's going to go. This is all going to go into all the other boxes, guys. What have we got in there? Oh, she's sending food and sauces and all sorts of stuff.
Worksheet.
Oh shit. Stuff for the kitchen.
This one's
Stuff
in
for the bathroom.
This is nearly. I need to close that one now.
Okay. Look, this is the spare bedroom, guys. Please excuse the mess. Why have we got to excuse the mess, babe?
Because of my stuff for Balikbayan box.
Oh, look at all the handbags.
This is need to sell. Need to sell.
She loves the handbags. See, we've got more Balikbayan boxes in here ready to go as well.
This is Junior Maricel stuff.
Probably Junior's or Maricel's. Yeah. Well, we've got cushions going as well.
Yeah.
So, a lot of the stuff we're sending, guys.
Wait, I show you.
A lot of the things we're sending is for our new Bayakubu, which we're having built at the moment by Loretto Bamboo Craft in Isabella. And they're getting on with that. I'll just put a couple of pictures up, guys, so you can see exactly what they're doing at the moment. They've had a couple of days on it, and they're going to start again on Monday and carry on building. It's going to be delivered by the end of the month, or about the 28th of this month, maybe. There's no rush. We're not there till October. But we sort of figured that we need everything. So in here, I don't know if you can see things, but there's pillows and there's
Spice up.
Salter spice rack. We've got choppers, we've got air fresheners, all sorts of weird
This
stuff.
pillow.
Pillows. We've also bought, in the Salter theme, we bought a microwave, a 4-slice toaster, a kettle, holders for tea, coffee, sugar, salt and pepper things. My God, this is just cleaning stuff that Mrs. C bought.
No, only I put cleaning in the top, but all the microwave beddings.
It's all under that lot, is it?
Yeah, because I need to fill up in the top.
Okay.
So, all the plates.
Oh yeah, we bought brand new plates,
My
cookery set.
hoovers
She even bought a cordless hoover.
in Lidl.
What else
Anyway,
did we buy? We bought cast iron green pots. We bought saucepan sets. We bought... Well, we couldn't buy any knives on Amazon because apparently we're not old enough. That's how screwed up this country is now, guys. I get it, kids buying knives and that, but in the UK now, if you go to Amazon, eBay, things like that, you cannot buy a knife, like a knife that you'd eat your dinner with, unless you can prove yourself on a credit card. Well, we don't have credit cards, guys. We don't need credit cards. We've got debit cards only. And I phoned up Amazon. I said, well, how do I prove myself otherwise? I'm 59, for Christ's sake. And they said, oh, sorry, sir, we can't do it. So we did it on Shopee. I bought some Japanese green-handled knives to go with the cast iron green pots, and I bought knives and fork sets on Shopee. They're going to go directly to Maricel's house. They're on the way now. I'm starting to send stuff on Shopee at the moment, including a brand new chainsaw.
with Moto Morris.
Yeah, that's gone for Brother Morris. I was on Messenger yesterday talking to Morris and Maricel, and she was saying the chainsaw they're using, it took over 5 minutes to start. So for the price of 50 quid, I had one bought on Shopee, and I've had it delivered.
This is need to close it now, babe.
Right, so we need to take that one up.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
This is microwave, all the microwaves and stuff like that.
oh yeah.
And all these plates and stuff like
We just couldn't fit the kitchen sink in there before you asked, guys.
I don't know, I still got too much to put in. Now you still got extra box in there anyway, so.
And there's an extra box in my office. So I've got all the power tools to put in, my welding set to put in.
I still got all my baskets, see?
Baskets.
My hammock.
Oh, there's a hammock. Or they call them a duyan. I've already bought a hammock, a duyan. It's been delivered to Sister Maricel's in the next few days.
And
So that's 2 hammocks we've got.
I got this one to put it.
So the whole theme of our kitchen in our new Kubo is going to be black and wood. And acacia. And yeah, green, emerald green.
Emerald green like this, look.
That's emerald green.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't look it on the camera, it looks more blue.
More blue,
But
emerald.
wood, emerald green and black, that's the theme, guys, for the new Kubo. And we're really pleased with the Kubo. It's cost us around £3,600.
More than 300,000
Pesos, yeah.
Probably it's gone more because we asked plenty of stuff in the Kubo.
Yeah, we thought we'd buy it and put it at Maricel's house because we're going to be building a house in Loag City, probably in the next year. And we can always pick it up and put it on a trailer and send it up to the new house where we're building. So it's like a caravan with no wheels, guys. It's like the Filipino caravan. Buy a Kubo, I mean, it's a nipper hut, it's a traditional hut. But ours is modernised. I'll just put a picture up now of what it's going to look like. Basically, except for ours, will have a blue roof, white walls. And it's going to be extended to 22 feet long, 8 foot wide, and 10 foot tall to the walls, because I'm a 6'3" foreigner, guys. I'm a lot taller than most Filipinos.
You know what we're missing?
What's that, babe?
Rice cooker.
A rice cooker.
Yeah.
But I know we've got rice cookers.
But I can't send my rice cooker back. That's my rice cooker's in the
You bought
roof.
more rice cookers when we were working away in Sunderland.
Yes,
you
it's
had
a white one.
So what's the difference? You're racist.
Yeah, but this is we need black.
You're racist against rice cookers now because it's white.
Because it's white, it's not combination to the black.
Oh, that's
It's not the racist. What are you talking about? I don't know why you're talking about racism now.
That's Mrs. C's logic when it comes to spending money on something else. We can't send one of our rice cookers because they're white or cream. It needs to be black. Nice try, Mrs. C.
Yeah, but it's not racism. You're the one said the racism. It's black, black. What do you say? Black in words. You're the one saying it.
Black rice cookers matter too, babe.
So if you put a white creamy rice cooker, it's not coordinated anymore.
It's not politically correct.
Yeah, see?
In the UK, you get in trouble for that because you're being racist.
I'm not racist, babe. I'm talking about rice cooker, not about the people, you know.
Okay. Oh, we're having a new Prime Minister soon as well. Andy Burnham, apparently. It's from Manchester. Nobody's voted for him. Nobody knows what his agenda is. And that's agenda, not gender. I think he's a male. Not like Keir Starmer that couldn't even tell you what a female was. Anyway, Keir Starmer, absolute idiot anyway. He's finishing in the next week or so. Pretty much he's had to leave. Andy Burnham's just been, I wouldn't say elected, but 300 UK MPs have gone, yeah, Andy Burnham can be the next Prime Minister. We've not voted for him. Nobody's voted him in. And we don't know what his manifesto is or his agenda.
Why are you pointing in the stairs?
I'm looking at boxes, babe. And I'm getting carried
now.
away.
1,
And
2,
you're disturbing me, my train of
4,
thought.
5, 6.
So anyway, Andy Burnham, he
7.
might be good, he might be bad. But he's Labour anyway, and I wouldn't vote for him because I'm a reform voter. What's next, babe? Because you keep cutting me off.
I don't know how many boxes. Probably 8, 7.
That's going to cost us about
800.
£800 to send.
100 box each. 100
£100 a box to send. Take about 2 months to get there, won't it?
Yeah. But because all my hours up in Kubo anyway, so
Yeah.
it's alright.
It's for our new home.
I don't know where Marisol gonna park in their sala.
We'll have to find somewhere for it, aren't we? The Kubo will be there anyway by the time these boxes arrive, love. So they can deliver straight into the Kubo, onto the terrace of the Kubo, and lock them in there. No problem.
Why in the middle of in the terrace? Not even can get in.
No, you've got sliding doors that go into the cellar to the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's what I'm thinking, isn't it?
You put them in the sala, babe. In the sala. No?
All these boxes. Oh my God, we can't move in our house, guys. Even my office is getting full of junk. Yeah, so we're sending absolutely loads of stuff, guys. I've sent a Bluetti backpack, which it contains a Bluetti solar generator power pack. It's quite a big one. In fact, I've sent 2 because we've sent a small Bluetti one as well for Sister Marisol. There's a solar panel already at Mum's house, which we're giving to Marisol, and I've sent a solar panel with our Bluetti in one of these boxes. So we've got temporary solar power on the roof of our little Kubo, which is enough to run small appliances and charge your phones and things, and boil a kettle. Because they have a lot of brownouts over there, guys.
So what you plan then? You put the solar panel in the roof or what?
Yeah, if we have to for now.
Yeah.
So other things, guys, like you won't be able to see these very well, but I bought some RST motorcycle jackets, his and hers, for our Honda ADV, which I will go and take from Mum's back in October when we go. Brand new motorbike jackets, because it's nice to be safe. And I've bought other bits of shit as well. Right, I bought 2 of these for a start. I mean, the helmets are already over there, but these things sit on the front of the helmet. We can mount the Action 5 Pro camera to it, the DJI Action 5, which is here, the Action 5 Pro, and that's getting sent in one of the boxes as well. So I don't have to take it on the plane, guys. I can just send it over. In fact, the Action 5 Pro camera is, I don't know where it is, it's somewhere else, but we're going to send a load of stuff over that it's probably just better off in the Philippines anyway. And I'll just take this like I did back in December when we went last time with the drone in it and the main cameras. Mrs. C's really in her element when it comes to packing Balikbayan boxes. She loves it.
No, love it, but it's hard to too much sellotape as well.
We sent a load last year. How many did we send last year? 7?
8.
8. But a lot of them weren't really appreciated. And everybody just took anything they could get their hands on. Took more than what they should have done, really. So this time we're sending Balikbayan boxes for one sister, one for a brother, another one for another sister, and whatever's in that box is for them alone, so nobody can get the grubby fingers into it and just take everything. And that's what we're going to do this year. And obviously the rest of it is for us, for our little home over there. We're going to do a massive unboxing video, guys, in October when we're there, when we open everything. And you'll be surprised what we've got in there.
Unboxing, guys.
Oh, you've even sent a little bag.
Yeah, because it's good for shopping. Maricel say, want that one.
Okay.
Don't throw it, that one, he said. So it's a brand new lid, I think.
What else have we put in there? What else is in the boxes? Strange things.
Oh, kettles and something.
There's 3 kettles gone, babe.
3 kettles.
2 brand new Russell Hobbs ones in the boxes.
Bread bins and coffee and stuff. What's the coffee stuff?
Coffee, brown sugar, whitening powder for milk,
Cleaning products.
products, herbs and spices.
Still got lots to put here, but
It feels like we're moving house. It really feels like we're moving house. As I said, my office is not my own at the minute. I'm going to take this down to the garage in a bit and see if this chop saw will fit in it, and the welder. I don't want to make it too heavy, so my Makita LXT stuff, my 18-volt battery drills, grinders, planer, will go in that one. I'll try and split the weight over the 2 boxes, guys. Right, so let's get down the garage and see what we can put in the boxes. I hope the saw fits in this big one, because that would be very, very handy for building chicken sheds and pig pens and parts to Morris's house when we're over there in October. So much better with a chop saw than using a hand saw. I guarantee I've parked the Range Rover too close to the garage door again. Not that one, that's Mrs. C's. You can tell it's hers, look, 'cause it's got the Philippine number plate. Kiss Filipina. That's my beast. Hopefully there's enough room to get in. Well, luckily, the car's in a position where it just cleared the door. Welcome to my shithouse garage. God. Right, well, that's definitely going. That's a nice Makita radio, battery powered. So I'm going to send that. Don't think there's any point sending this little compressor just yet, because I still need that in the UK. I'm not going to send these pack out sets because they're my tools. There will be certain things I send from out my toolboxes. Jet washers stay in here for now, but this sort of fold the legs out on it and it becomes a table with rollers at either end for putting wood on, and you clamp this saw on that's the Evolution chop saw, so that's a good one. That'll chop metal and wood, so that's going. That's got to go in that box. Down here, that's definitely going. It's a Makita drill. Got 9 batteries to go. There's a tripod. There is, I think it's brand new. It's a Super, Super laser. That'll go over to the Philippines as well, because it's always handy to have something to make sure that you've got straight lines. Charging unit, batteries. Gotta go. These are all the Makita things that are going. So there's the circular saw. There is a little SDS drill. That's a 110 drill. I can't really send that, But there's all the drill bits for the SDS in there for drilling concrete. 9-inch grinder, that's a 110 one, so there's no point sending that. A vacuum cleaner can go. Sawzall, always handy. I was going to say we'll send the sander as well, but the sander's also 110, there's no point sending that, so that can stay here. I'll probably sell it. Got a nice battery planer, which will come in very handy. That can go. There's 2 drills. There's a Makita jigsaw. Again, battery one. That can go. Clamps. Different size clamps for holding wood together or whatever else. Can go. I think that's about it, guys. Extension leads. I'll send. This. Very handy. That's a Jasic welding set. So that's definitely going as well, guys. That's a welder. That could run off 110 or 240, and it's an inverter welder, so that's going. Hopefully it'll all fit in the box. And then we'll say bye-bye to that and see you in a couple of months in the Philippines. Myself and Morris at that point will have some good tools to build whatever we want to build, guys. Oh, these boxes are awkward. That's before even anything's in them. It's a big old box. Hopefully things will fit. I've just not got enough room to swing a cat at the minute. Not that we've got a cat, but just not enough room to swing one. Let's see if I can get things in there. But that chop saw has definitely got to go, guys. This is becoming a pain in the ass already. So I've got the welder in there, and I can sort of fit the table on there, sort of. But that is definitely not going to go in as it is. So I think what I need to do is split the top from the bottom and see if we can get it to fit in. What do you reckon, babe?
Shit. Heavy.
I managed to strip it down.
You damaged the box too. I don't know why you're never careful.
I was careful, it was just heavy. Yeah, the laser's in there, the chop saw's in there, the welder's in there. We'll put some towels in there and pack it all out. And we're good. And then all this other stuff can go into another box. Finally, guys, I managed to get the saw in there, the welder in there, the laser level in there. There's even a Duyan in there, hammock. So we just put another green pillar, big thick green pillar on the top, wrap that up. Then that big box is ready to go as well. Here comes the other green pillar. That's it, that's all that's going to go in this box, babe. Yeah, tools will have to go in another box. Are we good?
Mission accomplished, guys.
Yeah, we finally got it taped up. That's the most important, well, it's not the most important, but it's the one I wanted to send the most, because it's got all the tools in there for the house. So myself and Morris can make anything now out of wood or metal, because we have the inverter welder and the chop saw.
But you said more in the message, plenty of woods in the mountains.
Plenty of wood in the mountains. We just chop down his own trees over there and make wood with a chainsaw. I bought him a chainsaw as well. I'll be getting that in a few days. So wood's not an issue. And now we've got a way we can saw it on angles and lengths, and we can do metal box as well for roofs, and we can weld all the metal together. Alrighty.
Okay guys, tip natin ito para sealed na. Hindi naman mabigat. Yung tools ni Steve to. Si Mr. Say kumuha na ng beer niya. Mamamatay yan pag walang beer. Yan. Yeah. Dito na sa sa garage ito. Para hindi na bubuhatin sa taas. Yan. Bibili pa ako ng ano, ng tip na ganito kasi kulang yung tip natin. Kaya bibili tayo sa ano, Lidl. Mas mura sa Lidl, may ano sila, tip sila. Ayan na si Mr. C. Click. Stella. Sponsored by Stella. Mr. C is sweating a lot now. It's too hot here.
Yeah, jacuzzi later.
Oh, you like my dress? It's okay.
What's UK, babe?
Charity.
We're spending loads of money if we don't have to.
This is Monson. Monson mean expensive shop anyway. You know how much I pay for this?
How
2
much?
quid.
2 quid. Bargain.
Yeah, I can use them to go to work anyway, so it's alright.
Hey guys, we've got 2 Range Rovers on the drive. Mrs. C still shops.
In the
At
charity,
charity shops.
it's alright. Nothing wrong in the charity shop. The all designer stuff there. Not only me, plenty of people do charity shop.
Wow.
Wow.
Looking good.
Looking good. Then I wrap that. Move faster, Mr. C.
We've got a really bad name for this in the UK. It's called rape tape.
I get some more in the Lidl until.
Hey Alan. That's our neighbour Alan from Vetchnow, auto mechanic. Just on his way to work. That's it. You can use it on me if you want, babe.
No, thank
Time to
you.
get kinky, come on.
Kinky. No, I wrap around there
Yeah,
because
let's wrap around it.
oh,
It's warm.
it's warm, guys. Summer in the UK, guys.
Time to turn this off for now, guys.
Yeah.
I'll get back. Right. Bloody hot day. So I figured out everything else now. Battery tools. Pay attention, Morris. The Hoover. It's okay for sawdust and things. That's going. More battery tools. Sawzall. And I've got about 10 spare blades for that. That's going. SDS drill, good for concrete. And I've got all the drill bits up to 16 millimeters. That's going. Oh. Wood plane. Slightly damaged at the minute, so I lent it to the neighbour. But I've got 6 new blades for it. Again, battery. Good for planing. That's going. Circular saw. That should be okay. Plywood. That's going. Jigsaw. Good again for plywood. I'm going round corners. That's going. 90-degree drill. To get into small areas, you can drill out. Might as well send it anyway. I'm not going to use it. That's going. Angle grinder. That's going. Of course, the good old drill. That's the top one. That is the big one. That'll snap your wrist if it catches. It'll whip your wrist. Very strong drill. Best that Makita do. That's going. It's just a small impact driver, but I've got all the screw accessories and things like that. So for putting screws in, this is very good for that. So that's going. More batteries. You'll have about 5 or 6 of these 5AH batteries, which last quite a long time, guys. Genuine Makita. They're going. Over there is a double Makita battery charger, right over there. And that's going. And of course, something to listen to the radio. A nice DAB battery powered or mains powered radio. That's also going. So I think, oh, and that goes on top of a battery, and you can use it to charge USB and things like that. You just put it on the battery and you can charge your phone off it. That's going. And then there's other little things, better screwdrivers, blades for the grinder, cutting blades, flapping discs, grinding blades. We've got loads of, these are Bosch. These are the Sawzall blades. I've got different type of teeth ones. So there's quite a few of them going. That's the new blades for the planer. I've got 5 spares in there, but we can get them off Amazon if we need any more. And for the stuff that's not brushless, spare brushes by Makita. So that's for things like the jigsaw. If the brushes ever go on the motor, 3 spares. They're going. Nice Milwaukee tape measure. And I'll send some other stuff. A couple of spirit levels, so they're going. So there'll be a small one about that big, and then one about that big. So the spirit levels are going. I'm not going to bother sending a lot of hand tools yet. I might send a few chisels, wood chisels and things. But yeah, having a bit of a clear out of the garage. Oh, and I'll send an extension lead over. But of course, a nice welding helmet to go with the welder I'm sending. A few drill bits, masonry bits, metal bits, and the rest of the shite that goes with it. Right, that's it. That's pretty much what's going in the next box, guys. And it's all going to the Philippines, so it'll help me to build Maricel and Morris's house with them, and ultimately to build my house with them sometime in the future. Man, it's getting hotter and hotter. I mean, look at my shirt. I'm soaked. Absolutely soaked. There's Mrs. C on her hands and knees. Can't show you what she's doing, but she's writing an address. But that's Maricel's address. We don't want you seeing that, guys. I can't even get my own office anymore. Well, that'll be the box for the tools and other things that I've just shown you guys. Right, that's it. I'm going to keep this one short but sweet. So that's it from me. Oh, bless you. Mr. C's box. Right, we're going to say goodbye.
Bye na po, guys.
Yeah.
Salamat po.
Thanks for watching.
Salamat sa mga subscribers namin.
Oh, we've got loads of subscribers. We only need another 2, and we've got how many subscribers, babe? 700? Yeah. So do us a favour, guys. Just hit the subscribe button, please. It's not a lot to ask.
It's free, guys.
It is free. You tight bastards. hit the subscribe. Give us a like. Give us a comment. Tell me what an idiot I am. Sending all this stuff to the Philippines, but it's worth it because we're going to build our new home with this, and we're going to obviously help Morris and Maricel with their home as well, and the farm. And with the welder, the chop saw, and all those tools, guys, we can build absolutely anything together, me and brother Morris. You're seeing everything else. Let's go into the Kubo, and in October, I mean the Kubo is going to be there at the end of this month, but you'll see everything in the Kubo as we see it for the first time, and you'll see what little home we've made for ourselves on a little farm in the mountains in the Philippines with our family. Right, bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and hit that bloody subscribe button.
Sabihin kung paano